In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app and follow the steps. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're at the settings and privacy guys, I want you to go ahead and click on the first option, which is account. When you're at account, the last option on the menu is deactivate or delete your account. This is where you can click and essentially choose your option. There's a major difference between deactivation and deletion of the account, and you want to make sure that you read the differences. If you deactivate your account, your information will be saved and nothing will be lost. If you click deactivate account, you're simply not gonna appear on the Instagram search, but your friends that currently follow you, they're still gonna have access to your videos and pictures. If you click delete account, well, you have 30 days if you change your mind to recover your account. Otherwise, when 30 days expire, your data will be gone. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.